The architectural design of the pump house resembled Romanesque Revival with a brick exterior and decorative sandstone blocks forming arches over all the doors and windows. A faux bullseye window was situated above the main door on the west side of the building and over faux windows in the northern section's coal vault. Bricks for the pump house were produced from a company in Eldon, Iowa, a historic brick-making town on the Des Moines River south of Ottumwa. The architect of the pump house is not known, but it is possible Dr. John A. White, a world-famous architect from the University of Illinois and designer of the 1920 laboratory, also designed the pump house. The architectural style and design elements of the pump house closely resemble several buildings that White designed on the University of Illinois campus. In addition, there were close ties between the station and the University of Illinois, as several researchers from there worked at the station and attended the 1914 opening ceremony. The building was divided into three sections. The north section consisted of the coal vault, the central section housed the boiler room, and the south section contained the pumps, an office and toilet. The central section of the pump house had a gable roof with cast iron trusses and purlins for support, and the north and south wings had a flat asphalt roof. In March 2020, a structural engineer report stated that the walls were in fair condition and the overall integrity of the building was basically good. However, the roof over the north and south wings of the building were in bad state of repair and needed to be removed and replaced, as did the electrical system. The cost of repairs was too much to justify rehabilitation of the building, and in August 2021, the pump house was demolished.